Hello and welcome back with the next video of DAA with the subject with the topic quick sort algorithm example. In this algorithm, we are going to prove the numbers on middle should be the pivot element and the numbers on right side should be greater than the pivot, and the numbers on left side should be less than the pivot. So you have to check this condition. If start is less than end, if it is false, you just have to increment the current index. When it is true, you have to swap the current element with index. C refer to increment, just going to pass this C value to next one, and then swap means you are going to change the current element with its index value. C refers to the current element and its corresponding value starts from I equals to 0. So let's take one example. Six, 3, 7, 2, 4 and then 5. Here P refers to the pivot number and then its current value, its current element, and then index. Both are its current index and its elements both are 0. Now let's start. First you have to check 6 is less than 5. Yes, it is not less than 5, so it is false. When it is false, just you have to increment the current index. When it is false, just increment. Okay, 6, 3, 7, 2 and 4, 5. Increment means just going to pass its current value to 3. Now the current value is 3 and then its value is 0. So what the next condition is 3 is less than 5. Yes, 3 is less than 5 and 3 is less than 5. It is true. Just you have to swap the current element with index. Swapping occur where 3, 6, 7, 2, 4 and 5. Then you have to, then when it is swapping occur, the value change from here to here. 0, 3, 6 equal to 1. And then you have to check the next condition, that is 3 finish. After that it will be moved to 7. You have to, the current element will be changed from here to here. So you have to check 7 is less than 5. Here 7 is not less than 5. So you have to just say it is false condition is executed. So you have to pass the current element to next one, that is incrementing the current index. 7, 2, 4, 5 with I value equal to 1. Just we are going to pass it out with next one. So C is 2. And then what is check the next condition? 2 here. 2 is less than 5 pivot element. So yes, 2 is less than 5. So you have to swap the I value with the current index. Here 3, 2 comes 7, 2 place 6, 4 and then 5. With I value, when the position change, here the current value is also changed because 2 is done. At the place 2 we place 6. So here the I value will also change. Here it is 7. I value is changed to 2. When it position change, its value is also changed. Now the 4 is less than 5. True is executed. When it is true, you are just going to swap it out here in place of 7 and 4. 3, 2, 7 place 4, 6, 7 and then 5. So the I value is changed from 7 to 6. So the I value is 3 and then the current element is now on 5. So you're just going to say what is the condition. Here 5 and 6, here 5 and 6 remains. 6 less than 5 is already checked. So now you have to check 5 is less than 6. Yes, it is true. When it is true, you just have to swap this 2 element. Okay. Now 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, then 6. So with here we prove using this algorithm the elements on the pivot element should be on middle, and the numbers on right side should be greater, and the numbers on left side should be less than the pivot using the quicksort algorithm. That's all about quicksort example. Just like, thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.